The day is finally here. Seriously, this is like a dream come true. One of the most powerful processor is in our hands. Yeah. The 1950X is AMD's answer to Intel's new i9 series, and this 16-core monster has just changed the way we know about processors. So we thought, why not place this processor alongside some flagship hardware with beautiful RGB. So welcome to the ultimate PC build featuring AMD Threadripper. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. First, the star of the show, the 1950X that features a whopping 16 cores and 32 threads. Just looking at the number of cores and threads, you can speculate seamless multitasking, gaming and other creative work. It has a base clock of 3.4 GHz and a boost clock of 4 GHz. Also, it has an XFR boost of 200 MHz, so we might be able to get the frequency up to 4.2 GHz provided the cooling is adequate. So for cooling, we chose the Riing RGB 360 AIO from Thermaltake, which rocks a 360mm radiator and three 120mm fans with beautiful RGB rings to lit up your interior. Housing the processor is the Asus Riing X399A Motherboard, which falls in the mid-end category but still packs a ton of features gamers, content creators and enthusiasts can take advantage of, like two M.2 SSDs for crazy performance and a USB 3.1 Gen 2 front panel connector. The I/O is loaded with USB 3.0s, backward compatible USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type A and reversible USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type C ports. Do note that there are 8 plus 4-pin power connectors for the CPU. This is done to ensure that you get the maximum stability if you are willing to overclock it. Also, this motherboard is Aura equipped, so if you have any other hardware with Aura capability, lighting customization becomes a seamless experience. For RAM, we have the 32GB DDR4 kit of HyperX Savage rated at 2400 MHz. For graphics, we chose the best in this business. The Strix GTX 1080 Ti from Asus is one of the fastest GPU on the market and can handle any modern AAA title you throw at it even at 4K. This 11GB of monster can reach up to the boost clock of 1700 MHz. The Strix cooler is one of the best aftermarket cooling solution with the signature triple blade design to improve the airflow for low temperatures during heavy usage. Delivering the power to these components is the Cooler Master V1000 1000 watt modular power supply, which comes with a 80 plus platinum efficiency. Given its 1000 watts and excellent modularity, you can easily add a second GPU. Housing all these flagship components is the Cooler Master MasterBox 5 Lite RGB, which we have reviewed and the video will be out soon, so make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. It rocks a super clean layout but tricky cable management and that dope shiny tempered glass through which the RGB lighting is going to be gorgeous as hell. So the build turned out pretty well. The only thing to notice is that there isn't that much room behind the motherboard tray for cables. I wish there was more clearance for cables as the side panel was bulging out. But still, building the ultimate PC was a great experience. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. The performance and the benchmarks will be coming soon in our second part of Ultimate PC build. Big thanks to Asus, Cooler Master and Kingston for providing all the hardware necessary for this build. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you all in the next one.